Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to fix on Google Ads.txt file error. So if you are logged into your AdSense account and you have a pop-up window saying earning at risk, you need to fix some Ads.txt file issues to avoid severe impact on your revenue. So let's just click on fix now. As you can see on my website, it says Ads.txt status is not found. So we're gonna create a Ads.txt file, and then we'll put it onto my website. So now you need to create a Ads.txt file. So now click on the link, the pcrepairworld.co.uk. That's my website. And just you'll see this publisher ID here, and just copy that. Now go on to your website and go on to plugins and search for WordPress file manager, WP file manager. So I have this WordPress file manager is already installed on my website. So just click on activate. Once it's downloaded, click on activate and you will be on your left hand dashboard. Now I'll just click on it and then add new file. Just click once, txt plain. Now I'll rename it ads.txt. You can just click on edit file here or just open it from here. Just click on code editor and paste it onto here and click save and close. So once you've done that, now let's go to the website. Just type in your website URL. Okay, then / ads.txt. If your if it shows like this, that means your ads.txt file is added to your website, and Google should crawl it and you will find the website link and it should fix the issue. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.